Elvyn.
Elvyn, chikne. Hey, chikne. Okay, come. Everyone, come in the frame.
Sounds like chicken.
Okay, so this is day 2 of Vietnam. We are still in Ho Chi Minh City. We are going to explore Ho Chi Minh City today, and today is my birthday.
Happy birthday
and we
to you.
we celebrated last night. It was really well. I'll make another video about it.
I want Indian food.
Yeah, today it's day 2 and we are off to explore Ho Chi Minh City.
Indian.
See you. No, we should try Vietnamese food. We are in Vietnam. This is what the alleyway looks like of our hotel. This is our hotel.
No, he's just exchange the money.
Yeah, we just exchanged the money at 1 USD. It's 23,100. It's just outside of our hotel. It's nice. I mean, it's better than the airport. So 23,100 for 1 USD.
It's very hot outside.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Eat.
Eat,
Mama,
eat,
eat. Oh, this is a local. Should we enter? No. I don't want to see the weird stuff.
Oh, we can go to the supermarket again.
Snakes.
Hey guys, we can go to the supermarket again after lunch.
Where's the supermarket?
Last night,
Oh.
when it was about to close.
Isn't it a market? Not supermarket.
Oh, I mean, yeah, market. But it's very super.
Indian, no?
Oh, that is enormous market, not supermarket.
So here you can see a lot of fruits. Avocado. We can see a lot of avocado here, no? Oh
What?
God. How are you feeling about the dhoop? Dhoop means sun.
What is soup?
Sun rays.
Root means sun.
It's okay.
Okay, we are in a place to have a breakfast and our first egg coffee. This cafe specializes in egg coffee, I think. It's called Little Hanoi.
So this is the little. So they gave us the
Just
compliment.
as we entered, they gave us a complimentary iced tea. Like under Ade they provided the complimentary iced tea, so I'm already loving it. And see, the view here is so good. And the wind.
Hello Elvyn, so
Yeah,
just taste it and tell us, would you recommend it?
Now
And
first tell, what did you order?
I ordered salmon and avocado and with fried egg toast.
okay, so it's totally like what you say, like raw, right?
Egg
The
coffee.
salmon is raw, yeah.
Egg coffee cool.
Yeah, I can wait the egg coffee to have a.
Okay, egg coffee,
Yeah.
right?
We got our egg coffee. It's like
I want to eat
Vietnam's-
the avocado. Can I take it?
Maybe let's take a photo of it.
Yeah.
Vietnam's first egg coffee. My first egg coffee in Vietnam. Let's see how it is.
Just taste it. It's rolling, don't worry. Can you taste the egg? You try the egg coffee first and tell me about how the taste is.
Just I don't taste the egg. I'm getting Did you taste egg?
Okay, more food came. Oh, this looks nice.
This pork noodle for me.
This is the pork noodles for him. I need to take a photo of you all.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, this is mine. A mango. I'm paying a lot for this.
She's vegetarian.
I don't think so. It's just simply. अरे ये तो आम काट के दे दिया ब्रेड के ऊपर.
बहुत expensive है ये.
ये अगर वियतनामीज डोंग में देखे तो ये हमको क्या 80,000 का पड़ रहा है। तो 80,000 का मुझे आम काट के दिया गया है। How is the egg coffee? Did it met your expectation?
Yeah.
I didn't taste egg. Like it tastes like cream. Like it tastes cream,
I think
vanilla.
it makes not only egg, not exactly the egg yolk, but it makes the egg yolk with the cream, something like that.
I think even Rashmi can try and you won't understand.
Yeah, you should try it, Rashmi.
Yeah, we'll try.
Like egg coffee
Vegetarian.
felt similar to like any other coffee. Like
Vegetarian लोग
cappuccino.
पी सकते हैं?
Vegetarian लोग तो नहीं पी सकते because they know they can't eat egg. But technically like the taste of egg or something is not there. Like, egg जैसा नहीं लगता है. You won't feel it that much. It feels like cream, sugary cream. I'm going to try the pork noodle.
I think it's deep fried. It's like pakora ना? पकोड़ा जैसा है ना?
But what's soft है? Oh, very nice.
मुझे लगता है मेरा ये 80,000 का घाटा हुआ है। मेरा बस आम दे दिया है बंदे ने।
हाँ. And it was written that it's recommended. Like
हाँ, ये recommended बोला है। बट आप मैं शायद मैं खा के बताती हूँ कि आपको ये recommend करूँगी कि नहीं।
But ये अच्छा है. The pork is very nice. And Elvyn को पूछो how is it?
So Elvyn, how did you like your salmon fried egg sandwich or toast?
The frozen so crispy.
Okay.
Yeah, and it matches so well with salmon and avocado.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think I would say is very up to standard
Okay.
avocado toast. Because,
Okay. You like the food that means.
Yeah, very good.
Okay. Okay. So it was a like good breakfast.
Yeah, very good.
Wait. Now you try. Mango toast. 80,000 का आम खाते हुए रश्मि
80,000 का आम खाते हुए
इसमें तेरा घर आ जाएगा इसमें तेरा घर आ जाएगा
क्या बोला था 80,000 के जूते हैं लौरे
ये मत बोलो
सॉरी बट यूट्यूब बीप कर देना
ये इसमें तेरा घर आ जाएगा बट it was written that it's recommended so try it with the mango itself mango and the toast together
ये इतना नरम है ना साला
also
पूरा हनी डाल के
बस nice how's it
ये ना
huh?
अगर ये आपको खाना है तो आई वुड से कि आप घर पे बना के खा लो ये कटे हुए आम है बटर है
और ब्रेड
अच्छा है
हाँ
ब्रेड अच्छा है और ये डाबर का हनी
सो ये 80,000 का वर्थ इट नहीं है
फिर मुझे 80,000 का नहीं लगा ये खाना
ओके
ऑब्वियसली वेज में कुछ इतना होता नहीं है लाइक तो
ओके मेरा तो अच्छा है मेरा इससे भी सस्ता है ये पोर्क आई एम हैप्पी
I like the traditional one more, like similar to like what we drank yesterday. That kind of.
Okay.
So can you tell me like what would you recommend in this Little Hanoi cafe in Ho Chi Minh?
Yeah, the toast, definitely the toast.
So what's the name of the toast? It was some salmon or something.
Salmon, avocado
and fried egg toast. Yeah, but I think if you haven't tried the egg coffee before, it's also worth trying because like the egg and cream on top of the coffee is like quite new. Yeah, and like you won't have the chance to maybe try outside Vietnam. Yeah, so I think you will. Yeah, it's very good that you can have a taste of the egg coffee at this cafe.
Okay. Now tell me about your experience.
We'll be trying out more egg coffee in Hanoi also. Hanoi, I think yeah, mine was good. I had the pork noodles, basic noodles with pork. It was really good. It was good, fulfilling and tasty at the same time. And, yeah,
Okay, what about
The
the
egg coffee, I will not say I did not like it. I felt like I could not taste it. Like I did not find the taste of egg yet. Maybe I'm yet to try other versions of egg coffee in other places, and then maybe I'll be able to
Yeah.
pass on a comment that whether it's good or not. But I've heard that egg coffee is really good here, and
Yeah.
also in especially in Hanoi. In Hanoi, it's good. We're still in Ho Chi Minh City. We are yet to explore Hanoi. So let's see. What
Okay.
about you? What about
okay,
you?
if you are a vegetarian and you want to try the egg coffee, then the last bit of the coffee will like the first when you have it, you won't feel the taste of egg, but the eventually if you are truly vegetarian, then you will get to know that there is an egg. So choose wisely for that egg coffee. And other than that, I have eaten
Mango toast.
mango toast. So I think like it's not worth, but
It's not bad as well.
it's not bad as well. If you are trying it for first time, I think you should go for it. But like for second time, it's no.
No, it's up to them to decide whether they want it for the second time or
like
not.
for me, it's no. For second time, it's no.
Cool. So this is how we are wrapping up breakfast in day 2 in Ho Chi Minh City, the day of my birthday. Now let's explore. Let's head out and explore, and we'll give you guys
Show them
posted.
the view.
Yeah,
like
the
where
view
we-
is really nice.
breathtaking.
The view, so we are seated here in the second floor. The view is really nice, and also the air is good. You will feel the open air, the view of the city. So it's a nice overall experience. I would recommend it for the experience. It's right in the center of Saigon, right in the center of Ho Chi Minh City. So yeah, it's definitely worth visiting for sure. Yeah, let's explore something else now. Bye.